Understanding Discriminate Against, a deep dive into its meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's crucial to understand not just in English language learning, but in navigating social interactions and cultural contexts. Discriminate against. This phrase is often associated with social justice, workplace dynamics, and personal relationships. Understanding its meaning and usage can help us communicate more effectively and empathetically. Let's explore together what it means to discriminate against someone and how this concept plays a role in our everyday language and lives. To discriminate against someone means to treat them unfairly or unjustly based on certain characteristics or differences, such as their race, age, gender, religion, or any other attributes that make them unique. Discrimination can happen in various settings, including the workplace, schools, public spaces, and within laws and policies. It's important to recognize that discriminating against someone is not just recognizing differences between people but acting on these differences in a way that disadvantages or harms someone. Let's look at some examples to understand how discrimination might manifest in real life. In the workplace, a qualified candidate is not hired for a job because of their gender or ethnic background. In education, a student is bullied or excluded from activities because of their religious beliefs or physical appearance. In public policies, laws or regulations that disproportionately affect members of a certain community or group, limiting their rights or access to services. These examples show that discrimination can be both direct and indirect, affecting individuals' opportunities, self-esteem, and quality of life. To help you incorporate this phrase into your vocabulary, here are some sentences that demonstrate its usage. The company was fined for discriminating against older workers in its hiring practices. Laws exist to protect individuals from being discriminated against based on their sexual orientation. She felt that she was being discriminated against at school because of her accent. Notice how the phrase is used to describe actions or policies that lead to unfair treatment based on specific characteristics. Understanding the phrase, discriminate against, and its implications is essential for English learners. It not only enriches your vocabulary but also equips you with the awareness to discuss and address issues of fairness and equality. We hope this video has been enlightening and encourages you to use your language skills to foster inclusivity and understanding. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more meaningful topics together.